Hello guys, it's NKY DIY Jr. Today we are going to make rainbow milk. Step 1, gather your materials: dish soap, pie dish, Q-tips, food coloring, and milk. Step 2, pour the milk so you can't see the bottom. Oops. Step 3, add drops of each food coloring color. I'm just doing this just to be creative. Step 4. Take your Q-tip and put it into the dish soap. Step 5. Dip your Q-tip into the milk and watch the color happen. Wow, look how many colors. Woo, woo, woo. Now let's see the difference with the skim milk. Since this is a science experiment, we're going to be using whole milk and 1% milk. I already did the whole milk, so now we're going to do the 1% milk. So cool. It's all spreading out in a circle. Well, this is the explanation of why this happens. When liquid dish soap is added to milk with drops of food dye on the soap reduces the surface tension of the milk and recreates with the fat. The interaction causes the fat particles in the milk to move and create swirls of color. So that's why it happens.